Friends, I have this young boy. He's from NIT Jullundur. So वो अपना introduction खुद दे.
My name is Vav Krishna. Currently, I'm pursuing MTech in cybersecurity. So, we have few questions regarding cybersecurity
Yeah, you
aspects in
can
AI.
tell.
Yeah,
Yes. Why
we can
don't you
start
tell?
with the direct questions.
Yes, yes. No, no question first.
Okay.
Because actually क्या है कि I've done so many interviews in the AI space.
Okay.
So then we're there when suppose we are at the store. Like, global partnership AI summit. हमें पता है स्टॉक पे क्या what are the display. सिक्योरिटी पे आपने बोला ना तो सिक्योरिटी पे मैंने किया है from ITLs. It's about suppose you have a factory, you know. So
Yeah.
there AI works in the intelligence space. Suppose I enter a mall, right, and the mall is already full of people, and then you need to tell the security that these people are not the right ones. Are they having a criminal background? So I think I've done that. So you what exactly I do want to do?
See, I have worked on different space. In cyberspace, we have found different vulnerabilities in AI that it can mislead to different things. One of them, that DeepSeek is there, like the famous ChatGPT's alternative. So these are the model coming, but the security aspect from these models are overlooked. From now, like I am a ChatGPT user, I am putting some data of my official work. I've just uploaded my official document, and somebody else from different country can access it. Like
Hacker
not hacker, simple prompt engineer can also
can do it.
can do it. I and you can also do it.
Our Minister IT, Minister Ashwin Vaishnav, we are talking about quantum.
Yeah.
So can you relate quantum security? How does it safeguard?
Say quantum will first disrupt, then it's safeguard. Because recently, I think Monjana one from the Microsoft has released one chipset for quantum chipset. It is soon going to be commercialized. So the quantum computers will be in our hand, you and me both. We can access the quantum computer. Qubits will be in our hand. So in the coming future, security will be a main threat because if the quantum computer will come, I can predict your password. I can guess your password. Like I can go through all the numbers, alphabets, and has like special characters.
But a simple question है.
Yeah.
When we talk about IT, we have a DigiLocker, right?
Yeah.
And DigiLocker में अभी एयरपोर्ट पे लोग जा रहे हैं टर्मिनल 3 दिल्ली में, the people queuing, right? So they say DigiLocker में अपना सब डाल दो आधार. So my niece tried to put her Aadhaar. I told her don't compromise Aadhaar because Aadhaar, as per Supreme Court of India, is not mandatory. Right?
Yeah.
But the government, because there is no anybody, there's no somebody, there's not an authority which says कि it has been compromised. Right? That is what we media, the news. तो आपको लगता है कि मतलब ये सिक्योरिटी आधार जो है because we have our iris, we have our biometrics, so it is being compromised. I've read the books.
See, I can clarify that one thing. The Aadhaar database leaked हुआ है.
Yes.
You have seen that old database in the dark web and it is publicly available to everyone. Recently उसको remove किया गया but फिर भी कुछ resources पे Telegram से वो available है with the fingerprints and everything. So if we can't protect those data, it will be very much harmful for us. Like anyone can fraud us. He has our number, our address, and our father's name, mother's name, whatever, like everything. Then he just has to know like a few card details and like he can predict anything about me. He can ask me the OTP and I will be
So do
scammed.
you think that we have to make the government realize हमारा तो सरकार को
Yeah,
बताना है आधार is being misused. Properties. There are people जैसे आपने कोई land लिया, जब कोई building flat लिया, आपने आधार दिया वहाँ पे, which is in the land and revenue department, right? Land and revenue department, the bad people, जो कुछ भी हो सकता है, he goes there, he gets your things, and then they create a database, and then they create documents, and then they become the owner of that property. Well,
yeah, as we are using AI for good works, hackers and different people are using it for bad works also. Like AI is being used for different stuff. Like you have seen the DeepSeek one that Mr. So Sir has also introduced that everything about the DeepSeek, and IIT Jodhpur has developed one tool for predicting that it is a DeepSeek video or not. So similarly, we have some more tools which can't be predicted.
Corona
That
के टाइम पे बहुत सारा कुछ आया था fact checks.
yeah. So
वो जो spit का था, कभी कुछ है, कभी कुछ है. That's wonderful. So what do you think since you guys are like into AI now, and 2047 में जब आजादी के 100 साल हो जाएंगे, मोदी जी का विकसित भारत का है, तो आपको सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट जब तो और बढ़ जाएगा ना. Yeah, because AI is going to like मोदी जी ने बोला ना, AI is the report you're writing for the world?
2147 में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज हो जाएंगी. Our computational technology also, like as quantum computing is introduced in the middle of the century, approximately like 1/4 of the century. तो उस समय तक I'm predicting there will be more computation power in acoustic physics. Like we can compute in the air also. Like there is one research going on in acoustic computation. So we don't need semiconductors for computation. It is a next level computation which will be done in the air. So while transmission only we can compute data.
Wonderful. I
So-
think I was with a child and I used to see people are being transported. Star Trek.
Yeah, you have seen our history also in the like mythological books in our Hindu culture. You have seen that there are various mantras for different astras. So we can call those specific frequency of the words and that astra will be formed. So it is not a joke. Like we can correlate it with the computer science that if a sound wave is going on and it has some frequency, specific word, and it has some disturbance, like you have seen the butterfly effect. You have read about it. Earlier it was not proven, but now it is proven. So there is a effect that goes on into the quantum level.
Wonderful. So I think हम लोग अभी इस चर्चा को यहीं पे विराम करते हैं.
Yeah.
Because we have some better tea and samosas waiting for us.
Thank you, sir.
वहाँ security threat लग रहा है मुझे. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.